Hello, today we are making thermoelectric refrigerator. Here this is temperature. Here we are used two peltier models. This is 12-volt battery. Here we are using two fans for heat dissipation. This is 0 PCB. All connections are connected here. Here you can see here that the temperature is now 5.2 degrees Celsius. 4, 4.0, 3. Now I think so that the temperature will go in minus. It is very I will close so that it will get dissipated properly. This is the first time the temperature will be going in minus because we are using here two TEC plates. Now it's minus 0.2, minus 0.4, 0.5, minus 7, minus 9. Here you can see. Now ice will start collecting at the surface of the TEC. Small water droplets have been started collecting here. See, now it's minus 2.8, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now 4, 3. I think so it will maximum go to minus 5 degrees Celsius. This is the highest efficiency I have got till date. We will wait for some time. This is a small setup I have made. This is I have done water cooling, hybrid cooling I am using, water cooling and fan cooling. It's minus 4.1. I have made for battery we can charge battery using solar panel. For checking the charging status, here I have used LED. Just this is plug and play socket. This socket can be inserted in this battery so that charging battery will get charged. Okay, the temperature is minus 4.3.